Hey everyone, I'm Rohan from One Stop Solution, and in this video, I will show you how to write a message on Twitter. Messaging on Twitter allows you to connect directly with others, making it easier to have private conversations. So, let's get started on how to write a message on Twitter. Start by opening the Twitter app on your device. Tap on the messages icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Click on the plus icon in the lower right corner to start a new message. Select the person you would like to message. Type your message and if you wish, attach a photo by tapping the photo icon or send a GIF. Once you're ready, click send. And that's how you can write a message on Twitter. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming videos.